Good morning. It's 3:43 and I'm headed home to Boston. My sister's driving me. Yeah, I'll just hit you guys up when I'm there. Today's gonna be obviously a chill day since it's a travel day, and then I'm just gonna be literally getting ready for work for the next day. So I'll update you guys later. We're about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. I'm back. I'm with my Bobby boy. After Foley, he's so little. He's like so little compared. Oh my gosh, I missed my little fluff ball. Okay, well, I'm gonna hang out until I do something. I don't even know what I'm gonna do today. I should probably get ready for work, but I'm exhausted, so I'll see what happens. I'll update you guys later. Okay, so now me and Fox are gonna go for a walk, and then after that I'm gonna do laundry, and then I'm gonna separate the Thanksgiving food for lunches this week. And yeah, so here we go. Off to do laundry. Adjusted my walk with Fox, and oh my god, it was freezing. I think I got everything. It was freezing. I have to get the detergent. I feel like my legs were frozen. But I came back. I'm doing laundry. And then after this, I'm gonna edit and upload. Then switch it over, go to the gym, I think. And then, or maybe switch over the food, then go to the gym later tonight. That's what I'm thinking. We'll see.
Sort of traditional products. And yes, those things are timeless and classic, and that's the look and the brand that they like to be. But at some point, those timeless products.
Okay, so this is, I still didn't get all the food. I'm gonna eat some of this now. But this is for 4 days. And I'm probably gonna eat these for like when I get home, lunch, probably all right fucking now. But yes, so these are all the foods that I'm having for a week. It's not equal, but whatever, who cares? It's Thanksgiving food. After my workout, I'm eating some more Thanksgiving food. I'm gonna be eating this for a long time. Okay, so it is now 6:49 and I'm just having one glass of wine tonight and then I'm heading to bed. I just worked out. Actually, I'm excited to get back into working out. I feel like I took a break. I'm back. I feel good. Of course, I was having Thanksgiving food, though. I'm going to have that for a while. But, yes. So I'm closing out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Today was a fun day. I did a lot of chores. I put the clothes away. I separated out my Thanksgiving food for lunches. And then I also did some laundry. What else? And I cleaned. I cleaned up a little bit. Yeah, so today was a really great day. And I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Have a good one. Good night. I'll see you mañana.